Struggling with manual paperwork processes that bog down creativity and create confusion? We get it, because we've been there ourselves. After spending years handing paperwork from person to person in a red folder, we shook up our status quo. Created by AccuSoft, a Tampa-based tech company with 30 years in the business, OnTask platform provides an end-to-end, cloud-based solution for creating forms to collect data, generating standardized documents, and adding electronic signatures. With OnTask, you can create smooth digital experiences that allow your departments to gather information and route it seamlessly, all while keeping your business secure and compliant. Solve your paperwork problems with OnTask.
Today, we're going to be taking a look at the ins and outs of the OnTask Workflow Builder. I'll be showing you how to build a 3-step liability waiver workflow. To start, go to the template library and select the middle option to start from scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, and OnTask will prompt you to insert your first task. You have the option to insert user tasks, like web forms, send and save, like emails, or integrate with other applications. You can also add document processing tasks, like populate a template, logic, including conditional logic branching, or manage your workflow state. Let's start by adding a web form. Now we'll add a couple of fields to the web form to collect user information, including a text field for participant name, an email field, and a date field. Once you're happy with the layout and all of the fields in your web form, return to your workflow model. Notice on the right-hand side, there is now a search option. This will allow you to find tasks and steps within the workflow. It also shows you the health of your workflow. In this case, it's safe to publish and track the different participants involved in the workflow. Now let's add a second step. Notice that this step is red. That means it's not fully configured, so let's fix that before we continue. Since this is a Generate Documents task, we'll add a document template and return to our workflow. Now that we have a template that's been populated with inputs from the field, let's collect a signature. Just like before, this new step is red, so let's configure it. We'll need to add the document they'll be signing, and then add the signature box, and return to the workflow. We'll finish this off by inserting the complete workflow task. Last thing we'll do is we're going to customize the workflow title by using the name entered by the user. We can now publish and run the workflow. Now that the template's been populated, we can sign and continue. At this point, the workflow will end. If you have questions at any point during your building process, help is one click away. From the top menu, you can select Live Chat and start a chat session with one of our experts. You can also go to the Help Center and search our help topics for how-tos. Or you can go to ontask.io/resources for videos, case studies, and other help articles. And you can also click Contact in order to contact us directly. Thank you for watching, and remember to get in touch if you have any questions about using OnTask's Workflow Builder.